Yes, we're here live with Senator Adefue for inside His Excellency Bola Tinubu compound. This evening, this glorious evening, where we say they don't win, their political party win the governorship election, and we just want to find out their reactions towards waiting don't happen. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How your body they sweet you this evening, sir?
My body sweet well.
We see say everybody they drink, they chop, they everything. Before these results come out, una don't expect say una go win.
Well, we know we're going to win, but if you look at the result now, compare it with the result of 2 weeks ago, you see that they are very similar. So we knew that the result we had 2 weeks ago is the worst result we could ever have.
So how does it feel for you to be the new governor-elect of Lagos State, sir?
I don't know.
How you they do you for body, sir?
You say, I never believe saying that me.
But before now, you'd expect say you go win. I mean, when they watch on for TV, they watch all the collations, the countings. How your body they do you?
No, I don't know. Say I don't pray to God before now, and I know say the people then go choose the person where they like pass, and they don't say for Lagos, the APC can so just stand and say.
You are here again.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, sir. Okay, so we dey here with the very, very important. When you hear say Baba, when you hear Jagaban, you know say the person where they here now very, very important person. Baba, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So how you dey feel now when you say your party don't actually win this thing? Now for the past 16 years, you don't dey power, and now you won't add another year again, 4 years, or if not possible, more than 4 years, enter your own power. Now, how that thing they make you feel for body?
I dey feel on top of the world. Feel happy. When you are victorious, what do you go feel? No be happiness. I feel happy.
So plenty people they call you magician. Some they call you godfather. Some say if anybody want make anything work for inside politics, may they just dey Baba back. So how you go respond to that statement?
I be politician. And they do my job. Abi?
Yes, sir.
So that's all I am.
Okay, sir, as the
Politics, if they won't hire me, they call APC. If they won't go on the other side, I give them APC, but they should take it without alcoholic beverages.
Thank you very much, sir. Finally, I want to ask you, as His Excellency Governor Fashola, they come out very, very soon. Would they expect him to run for higher position for inside Nigeria?
Ask him.
Baba, you be their chairman.
Ask Fashola what they won't be. And this is what I know. They just declare governor. So 8 years, it don't pass. Fashola don't finish. So for that job, if you won't go, maybe you won't be president after February, maybe you won't be minister, maybe you won't be lawyer, maybe you won't be, that's Fashola's decision.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Make you get very, very pleasant, enjoyable evening, sir.
We are very, very happy. We have, we did challenged. Poor people plenty, no job, no road, no electricity. We have many things we have to think about, and that we have to do. We have to get into action quickly and keep a promise with Nigerians. It's the party of a common man, APC.
Thank you very much, sir. But no figure without make I say congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, thank you very much. You are a very good a reporter, a news person. You are persistent. I dey avoid you since. You come back again and again. So you make me talk. I'm happy, and I'm happy. No politician will work hard and get a good result, no go happy. Happy?
Yes, sir.